If your web browser looks like a crime scene with 40 tabs open, we need to talk. You are probably paying for a funnel builder, then an email autoresponder, then a course platform, then Zapier to glue it all together. By the time you are done, your monthly software bill costs more than my first car. It's the classic Frankenstein setup, and it is exhausting. But a new tool called MarketSuite just dropped. It claims to replace your entire $1,200 a month software stock for the price of a takeout pizza. Is it actually a ClickFunnels killer, or is it just another shiny object that will collect digital dust? Let's find out. Hey everyone, Kamal here from testedapps.com. I've spent over 6 years in the affiliate marketing trenches. I've tested hundreds of tools that promise the moon. Most of them barely deliver a rock. I know the pain of broken plugins and API glitches. I know the feeling of crying into your coffee because your automation failed. So today, I'm doing a deep dive review of MarketSuite. Honest, real results, no fluff. I'm going to show you if this thing can actually run a business, or if it's just a pretty dashboard with nothing behind it. Before we jump in, if you decide you want to stop bleeding money on monthly fees and you want to pick up MarketSuite, make sure you grab it through the link in the description below. I've put together an exclusive bonus package for you. It fills in the gaps that this software leaves out. Check the description for the full details after the video. So what exactly is MarketSuite? In plain English, it is an AI-powered all-in-one marketing dashboard. Think of it like this. Imagine if ClickFunnels, iWeber, Kajabi, and Calendly had a baby, and that baby decided to work for a one-time fee instead of draining your bank account every 30 days. It's designed for marketers, course creators, and agencies, basically anyone who sells stuff online. The main promise here is simple. You can build funnels, send emails, host webinars, sell courses, and manage clients, all from one single tap. No more switching back and forth, no more integration nightmares, just one login to rule them all. How does it actually work? Is it rocket science? Thankfully, no. The sales page makes it look easier than making toast, and honestly, it's pretty close. There are 3 main steps. Step 1, you create your account and log in. The dashboard is surprisingly clean. It doesn't look like the cockpit of an alien spaceship, which is a nice change. Step 2, you choose what you want to launch. This is where the AI kicks in. You pick your goal, maybe you want to launch a sales funnel, or maybe you want to sell a video course. You tell the AI what you are selling and it builds the pages for you. It writes the headlines, it sets up the automations. Step 3, you launch and scale. You connect your payment processor, you hit publish, and you are live. You can manage everything from that one dashboard. No coding skills required, no hiring expensive developers. But let's look at what actually moves the needle for your business. Why should you care? Here are the top 3 things I found. First, the Frankenstein fix. This is the biggest win. You know the struggle. You try to connect your landing page to your email list, the API key is wrong, or Zapier wants more money to run the task. With MarketSuite, everything is native. The email tool talks to the funnel tool directly. No duct tape required. It just works. Second, the course and webinar hosting. Usually you have to pay a fortune for tools like Teachable or Webinar Jam. MarketSuite lets you host your courses right inside the platform. You can drip feed content, you can create membership sites, you can run automated webinars. This alone saves you hundreds a month. Third, the agency license. This is included on the front end. That means you can use this tool to build funnels for clients. You pay a small one-time fee for the software, but you can charge a local business $500 to build them a elite page. You keep all the profit. That's a business in a box right there. Now, let's talk money, because this is where the math gets crazy. The front-end price for MarketSuite is around $17. That's a one-time payment. Let's compare that to the competitors. ClickFunnels starts at nearly $150 a month. Kajabi is even more expensive. An email autoresponder will cost you $20 a month minimum, so you're looking at hundreds of dollars a month in fixed costs versus $17 once. Even if MarketSuite is only 10% as good as those tools, the savings are impossible to ignore. You pay once, you own it forever. No monthly billing PTSD. Okay, let's go over and play a quick video explaining this a little bit more.
There was a man named Adam. He had a good offer, a great message, and more ambition than most people could understand. But every time he tried to grow his business, he ended up inside another platform. ClickFunnels for pages, Kajabi for courses, Calendly for calls, Zapier for duct tape. One app led to another. One solution created 3 new problems. He was running a business, but living inside dashboards, tabs, settings, automations, errors. On paper, he was doing everything right. In reality, he was moving backward until one day he shut it all down. He logged out of every account, canceled every subscription, and opened one new tab.
MarketSuite.
That's when everything changed. In 2 hours, Adam rebuilt his entire business. Funnels, emails, automations, calendar, webinars, client onboarding, payment flows, CRM, all of it. He didn't need a VA, didn't need a tutorial, didn't need Zapier to stitch things together. For the first time in years, the machine just worked. And it didn't just work. It scaled. Hey, my name is Siyun, and on behalf of my team, I'm happy to introduce to you
MarketSuite. MarketSuite
isn't another tool. It's the system that should have existed from the start. It replaces everything that slows you down and gives you the speed, clarity, and control you've never actually had before. Funnels that don't just look good. They come pre-built, logic-ready, optimized, email and SMS campaigns that generate themselves based on goals, behavior, and data, not guesswork. A CRM that doesn't just track, but responds, follows up, closes, appointments synced, webinars hosted, courses delivered, automations that think, systems that move, outcomes that compound. One login, one brain, one dashboard.
MarketSuite
Replaces ClickFunnels, GoHighLevel, Kajabi, ActiveCampaign, Calendly, GoToWebinar, Zapier, Twilio, Aweber, HubSpot. It doesn't patch them, it erases the need for them. Because the future of business isn't having 10 tools, it's having one that actually works. Now maybe you're not a tech person. Maybe you failed before. Maybe you've tried all the platforms, followed all the gurus, and nothing stuck. It doesn't matter.
MarketSuite
Isn't built for one type of person. It's built for the creator who's tired of not creating, the coach who's too busy configuring, the consultant who needs more time, the founder who can't scale because the systems keep breaking, the freelancer who wants to look like $1 million agency, and the beginner who wants a real shot without paying $1,200 a month for the privilege of trying. Here,
Let me how easy it is to get started with MarketSuite. Create your MarketSuite account.
get instant access to the full all-in-one platform funnels, CRM, email, webinars, appointments, automation, and more. Step 2,
Choose what you want to launch. Pick your goal and MarketSuite's AI builds everything for you.
pages, automations, emails, upsells, and even scheduling. Step 3, launch and scale. Run your entire business from one dashboard. Sell courses, host webinars, send emails, create funnels, automate growth, and never pay for another tool again. This isn't about software. This is about finally having the power that was gatekept behind monthly paywalls, half-broken features, and business coaches who sold you templates instead of solutions. It's about launching in minutes, not months. It's about never starting from scratch again. It's about closing your 12 open tabs and opening one.
MarketSuite gives you your time back.
Clarity back, your execution power back. Because when everything works, so do you. This is your moment to break free from the mess they've convinced you is normal. To move like someone who isn't figuring things out anymore, they're building. To finally feel what it's like when a system doesn't fight you, it fires with you.
MarketSuite
Isn't a software upgrade, it's the end of doing business the hard way. So go ahead, click on the link below,
and secure your spot with MarketSuite before it gets sold out.
because trust me, it will. And faster than you think. We don't want to overload our servers, so we can only allow so many people in. Once we reach our limit, it's gone for good. And in case you are worried, you're fully protected by our 30 days ironclad money-back guarantee. If for any reason
you don't think MarketSuite is worth its weight in gold,
just send us a message and we will refund every penny you paid. No questions. So what are you waiting for? Click on the button below, create your account, and I will see you on the other side.
Now, we have to talk about the upgrades. This is a Warrior Plus launch, so you know there is a funnel. Here's the breakdown so you don't get surprised. There are several upgrades, but here's what you need to know. The front end gets you in the door, but it has some limits. OTO1 is the unlimited edition. It costs around $67, but here's a pro tip. Look for the downsell link at the bottom of the page. You can usually get it for $47. This removes the caps on how many funnels and emails you can send. If you are serious, you probably want this one. OTO2 is the done-for-you setup. That's pricey, almost $300. Unless you are lazy and rich, skip it. Do it yourself. There are other upgrades for automation and traffic, but honestly, the front end plus the unlimited upgrade is the sweet spot. Don't let them upsell you on stuff you won't use. Here is my personal take after testing it. I put it through my usual torture test. The biggest advantage here is speed. I built a simple lead capture funnel in about 10 minutes. Usually that takes me an hour of fighting with WordPress plugins. The templates are modern, they load fast, and the mobile optimization is actually good. I also love that they have a mobile edition, so you can check your leads from your phone while you're at lunch. That's a nice touch for us addicts who check stats every 5 minutes. However, I need to be real with you. I am not here to blow smoke. This tool is great, but it is not a magic button. The AI copywriter is decent, but it is not going to win a Pulitzer Prize. You will still need to tweak the text to make it sound like a human. Also, MarketSuite builds the car, but it does not put gas in the tank. You still need to drive traffic to your funnels. Buying the software will not magically make people visit your site. You still have to do the marketing work. If you are looking for a get-rich-quick button, this is not it. Keep scrolling. But if you are ready to simplify your life, if you are tired of juggling 9 different platforms, if you want to stop paying rent on your software every month, then MarketSuite is a no-brainer. Imagine running your entire business from one dashboard. Imagine keeping all that monthly subscription money in your own pocket. That's what this tool unlocks. The launch pricing is very temporary. If you come back next week, it might be monthly, or the price might double, so do not wait. If this sounds like something you need, click the link in the description below, grab my exclusive bonuses, and lock in that one-time price. If you have any questions about the software, drop them in the comments. I read all of them. If this video saved you some time or money, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll keep testing these apps so you don't have to. This is Kamal from Tested Apps. Go build something cool. See ya.